how to create a mind map in Notion. In this video, I'll show you how to create a mind map in Notion. So to get started, go ahead and open your Notion account on notion.com. Now, once you're signed into your account, go ahead and create a new tab. So in here, go ahead and create a title for this and then incorporate an emoji for this. And then after you do that, go ahead and add your central idea. At the top of the page, type your main concept. Use a heading block to make it stand out by entering /heading. And then add an emoji icon to make it visually pop. You can also create branches using toggle list. So type /toggle and then select toggle list from here, and then go ahead and label each toggle with a subtopic. Inside each toggle, add more toggles or bullet points for deeper layers. So an example for this would be product, features, roadmap, and feedback. Use columns for horizontal layout. So to create a column, you need to go ahead and enter /column into the section and then select how many cells do you want your columns to have, and then go ahead and enter the things that you need to enter from here. You can also add visual elements, so you can use call out blocks for key ideas or action items. So to do that, you need to enter /call out and then select call out from here. So if you want to highlight a phrase or a sentence, you can just place it here. After you're done with that, you can go ahead and save and share your mind map. Add collaborators if you're brainstorming with a team, and use the share button to publish or export your mind map. And that is how you can basically create a mind map in Notion. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.